Hello, this is Jilmil. Welcome to my channel Beauty and Beyond. Today I'll be talking about my winter skincare routine, the one that I'm following currently. And right now I'm using all the products from Biotic Botanicals. Biotic is one of the most famous brands of skincare products in India, and I think they are one of the pioneers in botanical skincare products in the country. I have been using their products since November, but it's only in December that I have started using a thoroughly biotic centric skincare routine. I'll be talking about my skincare routine. If you want to know what are the products that I'm using, please keep on watching the video.
Never gonna give you up. I'm never gonna let you go. Never gonna say goodbye. No.
The first product that I use from Biotic is their face wash, and it's the Bio Honey Gel Refreshing Foaming Face Wash, and this is the one. This face wash is very lightweight. It does not dry up the skin. My skin is very dry, and especially during winters I feel my face always feels very stretched and tight. I don't know, I mean, I really don't like the texture of my skin during winter. So I need something that does not dry up my skin, and generally face washes are very dry, but not this one. This one is activated with honey, and it's really moisturizing for the face, and after I cleanse off the face, I don't feel it's dry or it's getting tight or something. So yeah, this is the first step.
Never gonna give you up. I'm never gonna let you go. Never gonna say goodbye. No.
The second step is using a serum. The one that I'm using now is Biotic Biodentalium Ageless Lightening Serum. So this is the one. This is for targeting pigmentation. I have a problem of pigmentation. I have been telling from the beginning that I face a lot of pigmentation. So this has been my staple since December, and I really like this product. It's very lightweight. It's not like some of the other serums which are greasy like and feels like glue or something like that. It's not like that. It's very lightweight. The only issue I think is serums. You don't need a lot of serum for your face. So this product, which comes in, the mouth is like this, and when you squeeze the bottle, a lot of product comes out. So it would have been better if they would have come up with a pump packaging, else a lot of amount gets wasted. So yeah, this is one of the problems where the serum is very good, only I feel the packaging should have been a pump one. This is the second one.
Never gonna give you up. I'm never gonna let you go. Never gonna say goodbye. No. Never gonna give you up.
The third one is the Biotic Bio Coconut Whitening and Brightening Cream. Now this one I have started using after coming from Kerala. I am quite satisfied with the color of my skin. I don't want it to get lightened or whitened anyways, but the issue I faced after coming from Kerala is I saw that there is a lot of tanning on my face, and my complexion had become very uneven, especially on my forehead and parts of my cheeks and mouth area. It has become quite dark and tanned. So I wanted to get to my natural skin tone and wanted to lighten the spots and the tan that I have got. That's the reason I started using this one. It's formulated with coconut. So coconut is a known complexion enhancer, and let's see what it turns out to be eventually. Till now it has worked okay for me. I cannot say completely that it's the best tan removing product or anything. Probably I need a scrubber for that. But yeah, so this is the product that I'm using. I don't know how long I'll be using it, but it's an extra step for me.
Never gonna give you up. I'm never gonna let you go. Never gonna say goodbye. No.
Coming to the fourth product, I use the Bio Saffron Dew Youthful Nourishing Day Cream. I have been using it in November as well, and I have continued using it during December. This is one of the best moisturizers I've ever come across, especially for the winter skin, which is very dry. It's so good. It gives radiance immediately after you apply, and then your skin becomes very dewy. It's really good, and everyone knows that saffron is very good for skin. So yes, this is the fourth step.
Never gonna give you up. I'm never gonna let you go.
I end my daytime skincare routine with applying a lip balm, and that is the Biotic Bioberry Plumping Lip Balm. This is the one. Literally makes your lip look, plumped up. It softens the lips. There is no dry lips after you use it, and it's really a very good product.
Never gonna give you up.
I have been using the body care products from Biotic since November. In between I have stopped because I had to test some other products, but I have come back to Biotic once again because I'm in so much love with those with the body care products. The one that I'm using are the Bio Honey Cream Rejuvenating Body Wash, and the Bio Winter Cherry Rejuvenating Body Nourisher. So these are the two products that I'm using for my body. So every day during my shower, I use these two products, cleanse with my skin with this, and moisturize my skin with this one. My skin is very dry, and this moisturizer is bomb. It's too good. So these are the products that I'm using daily for my skincare, for my face care and body skincare during the daytime. So during the night time, I use almost all the same products. Like after cleansing off my makeup with my cleansing oil, which I have made myself. There is one DIY post, the link in the description box. Please go ahead and check. It's very easy to make. And after that, I again use that face wash from Biotic, the Bio Honey Gel. Then I use the serum and the brightening cream, the Bio Coconut Whitening and Brightening Cream. But after that, the final step of my skincare, I finish off with the Bio Wheat Germ Youthful Nourishing Night Cream. Now this is again a very good cream. I like the cream, but I don't know, it's for normal to dry skin, and it's very nourishing for the skin, but somewhat I don't feel anything extra after I get up in the morning, because generally I have seen that the night creams which are really good, after applying during the night and after you get up in the morning, it actually gives a very luminous effect on the skin. So I did not find anything like that. Like, frankly, I am comparing it with the daytime moisturizer, that is the Bio Saffron Dew, and I would say the Bio Saffron Dew is so good that compared to that, I don't think Bio Wheat Germ is that great. Anyways, it's a good moisturizer, and people with normal to dry skin can always use this. One of the good things about Biotic is they are not very pricey. They're easily available in the. I forgot to tell about my nighttime lip care routine. I had used this product in November, and till now I'm using this as my nighttime lip balm, and it's the Bio Almond Overnight Therapy Lip Balm. So I think the combination of these two lip balms is the best thing that has happened to my lips. That's all about my skincare routine with using Biotic products. I will put all the links of the products where you can buy these products down. Go ahead and check out. Don't forget to participate in my YouTube giveaway. the HNY with Indulgent Gold, and you have a chance to get Giordani Gold products from Oriflame. Like the video, click the thumbs up button. To see more videos like this, please subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching. Bye.